This is our incline cable press with a reach. So we're not gonna have a flared classic press position. We actually want our back to be flat along the pad, and we can assist that by hook lying. I'm just gonna use the handle on this seat. It can work. You might find it a lot easier to get a box and put it right here. I'm just gonna hold it here for the video. The hook lying helps us get into this position. So we might not get as deep into the press. However, we are going to get a mad squeeze at the top because we're gonna press through and reach. Let it down, keep the back flat against the pad. Press out and reach. So very much at the top, I finished the press, but I'm reaching all the way out.